Welcome to the fourth video and the third tutorial on html5 as powered by UCK Tech Designs. In this tutorial, we are going to create and view a HTML web page using the tools that we have already mentioned, our notepad or our text editor and our browsers. If you do not yet have your text editor with you, or you've not downloaded it, or you've not downloaded it in the browser, I would like you to pause this video and go back, download a text editor, download your browser and get ready to use them. Now, having downloaded your text editor, having installed it, and your browser is ready, I would like you to initialize your text editor. Either you're using Notepad, Kdit, Commodore, or any text editor that you are using there. For me, I will be running here Notepad++, and I'm about to initialize it. Oh, that was something I was already doing. Okay, now follow my lead and type whatever I am going to type, and then we are going to save this thing. In the next video, I will introduce you to what the codes. Okay, follow me and type in whatever I am going to type and save it with me. Just follow my lead. In the next video, I will now explain to you what we did and the meaning of everything that we've just done. Okay, here we go. We type in our doc type, which is HTML, close our tag. Then HTML language, HTML language is equals to English, which equal to US. Oh, sorry for that. Which is equal to US. Make sure you close the same tag. Then you type in your head tag, your meta tag, then you put in a comment. I will explain this to you in the course of tutorial, but just do what I do here. Oh, come on. This is your title tag. And then you can now close your head tag. You open up your body tag. Make sure that every tag that you open, that you close it. Then put in a HTML tag. Then put in or you can put a text, anything, hello world. It's done. And make sure you close this tag. Don't okay, don't be afraid, or don't be confused on whatever thing that we have just typed in here, don't worry, you will come to understand it, because I will take my time in the next video to explain this thing to you. But just take it that right this moment that you are creating your first web page, after you must have done typing this as I have done it, make sure that there's no error in your page. Now I would like you to save this video. No, I would like you to save this document. Sorry for using the video. I would like you to save this document. You can go to your file option, to your file menu, and then click save. Remember to save it to the folder that we created on the desktop, or you can simply use the Ctrl S to go to the desktop, locate the folder that we created, HTML works, and then type in the name of the document, the name that you want to use to save the HTML document. Say my first page, and then dot HTML. Make sure to save it with the extension .html, or your word browser will not recognize that it is an HTML document. Like in my own editor here, Notepad++, I simply go save it .html and it will recognize it. Or I'll go to the drop down menu at the save as type. I will select HTML. But if you're using Notepad+, simply, okay, I'm gonna cut the video. Okay, if you are done typing with this, do not be afraid, or do not be confused by all these codes that you are seeing here. Not can use your Ctrl S to save, or you can go to your option there, file option, and then click at save. Okay, I'm going to use the Ctrl S. If you're using Notepad, you can use Ctrl S and then type in the file name location here, which is here. Type in the name of the file, the name you want to use to save the file. Say I'm going to use my first page. Then make sure you use .html extension to save it. If not, your browser will not recognize that this is an HTML document. Now you can go to your desktop, look at the folder that we once created a few tutorials back. I saved it as HTML works, and then save your. Just navigate back to your desktop where you saved the folder and locate the file that you just saved in it, which is this. Where is the folder? Okay, look at it here, and this is it. You see that then that the icon to the document simply changes to that of your default browser. My default browser in this case is Firefox. You see the icon simply changes. Let me increase the size, the large icon. You see the icon changes here, and when I run this program, let's see what happens. I double click on it. You see, welcome to my first web page. Hello world. I would like you to go through this, do it again and again and again until you are conversant. Then in the next video, I will explain to you the tags and how came about this page. Let me go back here and review what we just did. Look at the code again. We typed our doc type, our HTML language, our head, our meta chassis. Then I used a comment. This is called a comment. Then I put the title of my web page, the head, the body. I use the H1 tag, a P1. These things are called tags, opening and closing tags. The head, see the head tags here? It is closed somewhere here. Look at the title tag, it is closed here. The H1 tag, it is closed. These ones in black now are the text. Not to worry, Just do as I just did. As I promised, in the next video, I will explain to you. Thank you.